Diving into the world of virtual reality has never been as enticing as it is with the VIVE Pro Starter Edition. This complete premium VR package is not just another addition to the virtual reality landscape, it's a significant leap forward, offering an unparalleled immersive experience. Included in this comprehensive kit are the VIVE Pro headset, 2 Steam VR base stations for precise movement tracking, and 2 VIVE controllers, all designed to work seamlessly together to create a deeply engaging virtual environment. The precision of the Steam VR Tracking version 1.0 allows for an expansive interactive space, supporting movements within an area up to 11 feet 5 inches by 11 feet 5 inches. This feature alone makes the VIVE Pro a standout, offering both developers and users the flexibility to design and engage with seated, standing, or room-scale VR experiences. The dual AMOLED displays push the boundaries of VR graphics with a combined resolution of 2880 by 1600. Making every virtual world you step into breathtakingly vivid. Textures and details are rendered with such clarity that they beckon you further into their reality. Audio is another frontier where the VIVE Pro excels. The high-res certified audio and 3D spatial sound envelop you in an auditory experience that's as immersive as the visual. High-impedance headphones capture every nuance, from the whisper of the wind to the roar of a dragon, with an unprecedented fidelity that complements the visual spectacle perfectly. Designed with long play sessions in mind, the VIVE Pro boasts a comfortable fit, easy adjustment, and thoughtful accommodation for a wide range of head sizes, vision types, and even those who wear glasses. This emphasis on comfort ensures that your journey into VR is as enjoyable as it is long-lasting. A standout feature is the inclusion of a 2-month unlimited VR play trial of VivePort Infinity, offering access to over 700 games and apps. This vast library opens doors to endless virtual adventures and experiences, ensuring that users always have something new to explore. The VIVE Pro doesn't just aim to be a part. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.